Welcome to Trains with Jake. Today we'll do a train unboxing. And if you notice with the artwork, you see the birth year of the United States due to 1976. So this is a bicentennial locomotive. So let's decide. So it's obviously HO if you can see right there. But Athearn Genesis. No. So, if you've guessed it, this was a DD40 with the Caboose. Now this is a DC locomotive, but the Caboose is DCC. There is no sound to any of these. Whether you get the sound unit or not, they don't come with a sound Caboose. Let me get the cover off. I find this box really nice, very decorative. So you have the manual for the DD40X, the Caboose, Athearn News, the warranty, 1 year limited warranty to it, stand this up, we'll correct that. Now I will be pulling these out. So I'm up. Pause. Welcome back. I had to pause to pull some stuff out. I'm gonna pull out the locomotive so we can get a good look at it. Some extra parts. Just keep that together. Hey, there's a hair in my locomotive. Don't want that. There. Whoop. Okay. I have the locomotive pulled out. I'm gonna remove. You spin me around. Sorry about that. I was having issues with the phone to keep the guardrails straight and stuff, and I didn't want to mess you up while filming, so I paused it for a second to safely pull them out. I'll have to put them back in when I put a decoder in it. But here's the left side. You have the same picture right there, the cover, 1776 to 1976 Bicentennial with the eagle on it. And for those who don't know, it is technically a legendary livery paint scheme, but it's only legendary because it was one vote short from this happening. Can you imagine if this actually was painted? Because that would be amazing. There's the back with the road number right there. The headlights. I'll be changing the colors out later anyway. For those who don't know, it kind of seems a little tight in there, but oh well. Got the eagle right there this time. With the Union Pacific shield over there. I love how they have it Union Pacific. And red, white, and blue. With the top being red, the bottom of the letters being blue, which each point where they meet a star in white. I think this would be a really cool paint scheme for Union Pacific to switch to, in my opinion. I'm gonna try to get you pretty close. The shield, the road number, the light, the beacon light. Oop, oh, that one more springy. Okay. pull up the Caboose now. Welcome back. Now it's the turn to unbox the Caboose. Well, here's the Caboose. There's the eagle with the 1776. We'll zoom in on that. Boop. There we go. Now you get a real good close-up of that. You can see the stars. Just a little bit closer. Now you can see the stars on the Union Pacific. Nor my big giant finger. I think it's a really good detail. It is a shame that Union Pacific didn't do it. It is early on. If UP sees this, I recommend doing it. Ooh, there's a stripe. Caboose number on it with the blue stripe, the stars. Yeah. Just keep off cupola. I can't listen. I gotta have probably put somebody up on a cupola. Just because it says not to. Yeah. There's the other side of it. This is a CA10 Caboose. Because it's right there. The trucks. I thought that was a really nice touch for the paint scheme right there. When UP said they were doing a new look, this would probably have been a really good option. Expensive, but it would look really good. So, I'll be right back and I'll put you on the track so you can see both together. So here's what they look like together. Mind my movement. You'll probably notice that there's another DD40 at the other end. I decided to reflect it with the regular UP colors, but I didn't have a CA10 Caboose. I had just a CA9 Caboose. In a little bit, I'll show you the difference, but one of the things you might notice at the very top are this is not the same as the visors. That the horn right here is back here, so it changes right there. But if you give me a sec, I'll put the cabooses together and you'll see the difference. Okay, welcome back. Right now, I'm going to show you the big difference between the Athearn CA9 and the CA10. So one of the first things you'll notice is there's no walkways, no ladders to go up and down top the roof. But just about everything else is just about the same for the most part. That's right. Like it's really hard to show up. Let's see if I get a bit more light. See the details. Ooh, too close. Mind me. And the CA10 has a firecracker antenna at the top. But if you enjoyed this, let me know. Enjoy the rest of your day.